Hi everyone, this is Eileen from Northern Light Tarot. So, the title of this reading is Your Next 3 Months in Love. So, for this reading, all you need to do is choose between these 3 sets of cards here. This is set of cards number 1, this is set of cards number 2, this is set of cards number 3. I'll also be taking clarifying cards from each of these decks here. So, I'll just give you a moment now to go ahead and choose which pile. So, right now I'm going to place aside set of cards number 2 and set of cards number 3. So I can go ahead now with this set of cards number 1. So, this is going to be an in-depth Celtic cross reading for you, okay? So this looks into your past, your present, and your future. So, it's very possible that we could get, some previous energies affecting, maybe how you're feeling now. And clearly, we're looking into the 3 months ahead also. So, let's go ahead and shuffle this deck several times. So, let's go ahead now and split this deck and place these cards down. I do want to quickly mention, if you would ever like a personal reading with me, all of the details to book are in the description box below, book via Etsy or PayPal. I also offer a reading with a 24-hour turnaround, and that's available 7 days a week. Okay, so let's now also take a card from each of these oracle decks. Okay, so what I really want to do is start with these cards here. Let's take a look at the big messages right at the beginning. So we have the Great Gathering, it's all coming together, intuitive hits, soul tribe. And we have the past is now behind you, release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. Okay, so what we have here immediately is the energy of release. Okay, because ultimately whatever's happening to you right now, and for some of you, I feel like you are feeling a release, or the universe wants you to let go of what is no longer serving you, okay? And what I'm getting here is that everything happens for a reason, okay? There's something here about releasing the past to allow in your soul tribe, okay? This is immediately like a soulmate energy coming through here. Let's continue. So right at the center, we have justice, balance, and crossing, absolutely transformation. And in the past position, the 2 of Cups. So we've got very strong energies here for you, okay? You're at a point in your life where things are about to transform. Okay, justice is being served to you from the universe, your ultimate justice. There is very much something here about release. Okay? Release the past. Allow in the new. Okay? Let's continue. The Chariot energy. What I'm getting here is, for some of you, okay? For many of you, there's somebody you need to let go of. You did everything that you could do in this connection. And, you know, the Chariot tells me, because it's in the hidden subconscious energy, is that deep down you've truly been questioning whether to try anymore. Okay? This has been affecting your energy. It's been taking up a lot of your mind, your heart, your soul, and it's like it's been preventing you from taking the reins of your life. Okay? From I get this energy that you've literally been suffering. You've been really struggling with this energy from the past here, and you tried so hard. But now, deep down, you know it's time to let go, so that you can truly feel joy again. Okay? This is what I'm getting very strongly. You know, they quite often say, when a door is closed, find another door. Okay? Because I can see how much you've given to this person. And now is the time to give to yourself. And allow in. I'm feeling like the true energy of the King of Pentacles. The true manifestation. Okay? Let's continue. External energies, the King of Wands, yeah. The universe is sending you the strong message that now is the time for you to get back in the driving seat of your life. It's a must. Let's take some more cards. Let's take 3 cards for this past position. Okay. The Page of Cups. Somebody didn't follow through with what they promised, okay? We've got double water energy here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We've got strong air energy. The World. And the 3 of Wands. Somebody may have travelled away from you emotionally. They could now be physically at a distance. The universe wants you to know that they weren't right for you, okay? And that there's new love coming in, okay? There's something here about strongly closing the door on the past. So now, let's move forwards to this card here. This is the card that's going into the future. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here for those of you that it resonates with. You may have felt that you had found your soulmate, but there's a deep realization here that you know that couldn't be true. And now it's time to go forwards. So now we're going forwards to the next 3 months, okay? The moon energy. So what pathway are you going to choose over the next 3 months? There's a new pathway opening up for you if you are your own best advocate, if you are your own best friend. Be your own King of Wands right now. You know that you want to do this. You know that you want to release somebody. What pathway will you choose the next 3 months? There is an energy here of part of you still thinking about the person that truly disappointed you, okay? But don't let them take away your shine. That's the big message from the universe. Allow in the new. The past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. The universe wants you to follow the new path with faith. Let's take 3 cards for this moon energy. I get the energy that somebody has stung you several times. Somebody has hurt you over and over again, okay? And there's the potential for them to hurt you again going forwards, but only if you allow it, okay? Let's take 3 cards here going forwards. Stay strong. You are strong. You're stronger than you know, okay? The strength energy represents the passive strength of you by not responding or allowing in these past energies, okay? Oh, I love it. The Queen of Wands. So, this is about you truly embracing the new, okay? And being very passionate about your future. And what, it's kind of like dreaming a new world into being. And then there it is, okay? Let's continue. You know that you are not willing to wait any longer. There's something here, there's like a transformation within you within the next 3 months, and you are getting out there. You are living your life to the fullest. And the Hanged Man is very observant, okay? The Hanged Man is a very, discerning to a degree. Because they are making sure this time that there are no red flags. I see potential for new people coming in for you here. You're in the driving seat. You're making the decisions about whether you allow somebody new in, okay? Let's take another here. Yeah. Anybody who doesn't, kind of like, if things feel out of balance, or if you feel like, there's games being played, that, you're holding on, you're waiting to hear back from somebody, you're already going to know that it's not right, because I feel like there's somebody coming in who is not kind of like raising eyebrows for you, okay? They're doing the opposite. Things are flowing as they should. So that's really good. But there could be somebody who isn't. So pay attention to your intuition, okay? Yeah. So this is about if anybody is giving you cause for concern, you're just going to say no. I'm getting that really strongly. Yeah, you are transforming over the next 3 months. This past person could come back towards you. And I feel like you're going to say no. Once bitten, twice shy. It's the energy of no. Not again. I won't allow it. I want my soulmate now. Not the person who makes me stressed and devastated. Okay? Let's continue. Yeah. Believe, okay, that you deserve more. Know it. Live it. And do not allow anybody to disrupt your energy. Because if they do, they're not for you. Okay? Let's take this outcome card. Yeah. There's somebody who's coming in for you that is totally on the same page as you. You two gel. You two understand each other. You know, this person is very emotionally stable. They're very mature. There's a deep understanding between you two. There's the potential for this soulmate to come in over the next 3 months. Okay? But I see somebody from the past coming back towards you as well. But I feel like the universe is guiding you to allow in the new. Okay? Because there's an incredible energy here with this King of Cups. Let's take 3 more. Okay. Hierophant, 9 of Wands, Magician, new beginnings. Somebody has really hurt you from the past, okay? They messed with your stability. They didn't give you security within this relationship. You didn't know where you were. So now you're ready for somebody new. And this is all about true manifestation, okay, with the Magician. And so I see strongly somebody coming in for you in the next 3 months. So that's what's come through. If you found the reading helpful, I'd be so grateful for that thumbs up. And also, please let me know what reading you would like me to do. Just leave it in the comment section. So I'll leave it there, and I really hope that you found the reading helpful. So now I'm going to move on to set of cards number 2. Okay, so now I'm moving on to set of cards number 2. The title of the reading, Your Next 3 Months in Love. So let's first of all shuffle this deck several times. This is going to be a Celtic cross reading for you. It's very, very in-depth. It draws in the past. It looks at the energies right now. And it goes, clearly 3 months into the future, okay? So, let's shuffle this deck several times. Somebody's missing you, I know that already. I just saw that 5 of Pentacles really show itself. Okay, so let's now place these cards down. I do just want to quickly mention, if you would ever like a highly personalized video recorded reading with me. All of the details to book are in the description box below. You can book via Etsy or PayPal, and I also offer a reading with a turnaround time of within 24 hours, and that's available 7 days a week. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a card from each of these oracle decks. Okay, so I'm going to start with these two clarifying cards. We have Dance with Life, and we have, oh my goodness, Passion. A magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Immediately, I know the next 3 months are going to be quite incredible, okay? The universe is truly urging you to, look at the lighter side of you, okay? You are exceptionally, the energy, coming from you, it's beautiful, okay? The universe wants you to know that you are like a magnet, okay? People are very, very drawn to you. And there's something here about the next 3 months being especially important for you, okay? Dance with life. Do something to change your energy. Allow the real you to fully emerge, okay? This isn't a time to be shy. This isn't a time to worry, okay, about other people's perceptions. It's all about how you feel inside, okay? Allow that out. And like I say, we have this card of Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. So enjoy it. So it seems to me that we've got very exciting, powerful 3 months coming up for you, okay? 8 of Cups right at the center. Ace of Cups here, crossing. Okay, and let's take a look at the past. Okay. Now, the universe wants you to expand your horizons. Try to let go of kind of like the feeling that, you're never going to meet the right person, or you're never going to be with the person that you want to be with, okay? Because what I'm seeing here is that in the next 3 months, it's all possible, okay? This is about kind of letting go of any internal doubts about yourself or about what it is that you want, okay? Because I feel like in the past, you may have struggled with feeling as though it's all just not possible. Take that as it resonates. There's going to be so many scenarios. What I'm getting here is it is all possible, okay? Because what I've got here, the Ace of Cups, is about a serious connection, okay? There is something here about an emotional detachment from the past that could be to do with another person that is no longer serving you. And that might bring them full circle right back towards you. It's also about truly knowing how incredible you are, okay? And letting go of any self-doubt. 7 of Wands in the subconscious. Temperance. Yeah. So I get for some of you, somebody that you doubted, they're absolutely coming back around. Okay. I've got the energy here that there could have been an argument with somebody that's very important to you. You want to heal it. It's all possible. There is something about absolutely letting go, though, okay? And just embracing whatever it is, okay? Because there's something really important coming in here in the next 3 months. The universe wants you to embrace it passionately, okay? If you know that it's truly what you want. If you know deep down that you don't want it, then there's a solid break here and there's new energy going forwards. Let's take a look. Yeah. What we've got here is there's a lot of passionate messages between you and somebody, okay? And it's leading to seriousness, okay? Could even truly represent a proposal of marriage, okay? I have to say what comes through. Oh yeah, 2 of Cups. Oh my goodness. There's, for many of you, there's somebody already here that you love them, they love you, and there's a way forwards, okay? It could even be somebody that you truly haven't even been in a connection with. There's like, it's sort of like I just get the energy. Did you talk yourself out of it thinking it wasn't possible? I'm just getting it's all possible for you in the next 3 months. Whoever the person is, okay? Okay, let's continue. The Hanged Man. Yeah. There's somebody you've got your eye on here, I feel. And they're looking at you as well. No doubt about it. Let's take a look. 3 of Swords. There's kind of like a fear of things not working out. That it may not be possible. But these cards are telling me so strongly it's all possible. New love. It's just like this incredible connection, and it's like off the scale. Could be new love. Somebody you've never been with. Or a past love. But there's something extra special, okay, happening here in the next 3 months. Let's continue. Yeah, there it is, 10 of Pentacles. So the 10 of Pentacles is about pure manifestation. It can truly represent that in the next 3 months, you're going to be in the same place, the same energy, the same zone as the person that you could be in an exceptionally long relationship with. Okay, the 10 of Pentacles. This is the retirement card. This is about lifelong achievement. It's about going the distance. Okay? This could literally be the 3 months that in which you're making the decision that this is your person, okay? That's just what's coming through so strongly. So, I just wanted to mention, please let me know in the comments below what reading you'd like me to do, and I'll take a look at all of your comments. And if you did find this reading helpful, I'd be so grateful for that thumbs up. And if you subscribe, you'll catch my next reading. It's all about embracing the next 3 months and seeing where it takes you. It's very exciting. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to set of cards number 3. Okay. So moving on now to set of cards number 3, your next 3 months in love. So I'm just going to shuffle this deck several times. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and split this deck. And this is a Celtic cross reading for you. So, let's get these cards placed down. I just want to quickly mention, if you would ever like a highly personalised video recorded reading with me, all of the details to book are in the description box below. You can book via Etsy or PayPal, and I do offer a reading with a 24-hour turnaround that's available 7 days a week. So having said that, let's go ahead now and take a card from each of these oracle decks. Okay, so let's go ahead now. Let's start with these oracle cards. So we have share your voice, come out of the cave, persecution, expression, and you may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. So there's something here about, things, you may be going through a difficult time right now, okay? Clearly. With a person, okay? There's no doubt about that. And if this is resonating for you, I'm so sorry. The universe wants you to... Now, when we see share your voice come out of the cave, persecution, there's something here about you having to acknowledge that you deserve more. And it's about listening to your inner voice, okay? Because it feels like, you are having a difficult time. Some of you might be like literally wondering why, why is this happening? Why did it happen like this? In the end, there is going to be a blessing here, okay? This is what you need to know. Let's continue. So right at the center of the reading, the moon, So you may be, truly having a difficult time, okay? Let's take this crossing card, but it's leading you to your literal bliss, okay? You may not be able to see it right now, but something's happening in the next 3 months, which is absolutely incredible, because it's taking you to an incredibly good place, okay? Because this is what this Wheel of Fortune is about. It's about something happening that's very unexpected, that you can't see yet, but it is coming in, okay? And you can't see it at the moment. You don't understand why everything's happening the way it is right now. But an incredible blessing is truly coming in here. Let's continue. The Empress in the subconscious, the Queen of Pentacles in the past, and the Eight of Cups. What I get here is that for many of you, you've felt as though you haven't been recognized. Your feelings, your thoughts, your needs, your wants, your desires have not been recognized. Okay? You're very strong. You've got all the tools, and deep down you know that. The universe wants you to know your beauty. Know that your harvest is coming in. Know that, sometimes things have to end before they can restart. That's a message for some of you. Okay? And then for others of you, it's about truly letting go so that something new can come in here. Okay? But whatever it is, right now there is a need to release and a need to emotionally detach. And know that your harvest is on the way. So take it as it resonates. Okay. 5 of Swords. So, okay, for some of you, okay, there's somebody around you who's not treating you well. And the universe is urging you to let them go. For some of you, there's a strong message that you're fighting an uphill battle with somebody who could be jealous, they could be abusive, they could be confusing you, they could be, you feel like they're taking away your zest for life, your sense of self-worth. They could be saying not very nice things to you. The universe wants you to let them go if that's the case. I'm going to take some more cards for this 5 of Swords. Some of you haven't been treated well, okay? You need to speak up. And walk away. That's a strong message for some of you. Some of you might even need to, tell authorities, okay, about the way you've been treated. And I'm so sorry if that resonates. The thing is, though, regardless of the scenario, there's a blessing coming in here for you. And it's a blessing in love. Okay? So let's take... If there's somebody who is... You're constantly having to get a crumb of affection from them, or even a meaningful conversation, then you need to let go of that person, because they're controlling you by literally giving you breadcrumbs. I know it's cliche, but some people will do that. But there's somebody with a beautiful, loving, open heart waiting for you. Okay? Let's take a look. Yeah. Crumbs. This is the card of crumbs. For some of you, there's a person here that, deep down you want to release from. You're constantly on high alert, wondering what's going to happen next. Okay. Yeah, some of you need, you're getting free of an abusive relationship, some of you. Okay? I have to say what comes through here. It's taken you down an incredible road when you do. There's an incredible sense of release here. And then there's literally the person waiting for you in the wings, the person with the open heart. They're literally round the next corner for you. Okay? 8 of Wands coming in fast. Someone new coming in fast here. Okay? Your person is coming in fast. 5 of Pentacles. Somebody for some of you, somebody has got you in this perpetual loop. Like there's this energy that it's been cyclic. Okay, they're in and out, they're in, they're out, and you don't know where you stand. And you're getting that realization now of exactly what it was. It was control. Yeah, 4 of Swords. There's just this amazing energy that you've had enough of that. With this 4 of Swords, you're just detaching mentally and emotionally. And you're bringing your heart back into balance. This is what's happening for you the next 3 months. You're literally seeing the light. You're seeing that there's a good person out there for you. Okay? Let's keep going. 10 of Swords, yeah. I'm so sorry this isn't kind of like more about the new love coming towards you. But I do see it. And it's coming in very unexpectedly. This is about knowing your value. Knowing how much more you deserve than what you've been getting. Okay? And it's about an ultimate release. Okay? Because the 10 of Swords is about being done, especially with these 2 cards here. Let's take 3 more cards now. Three of Pentacles, 6 of Cups. For some of you out there, you're going to be disappointing the person that hurt you, okay? Because somebody from your past is coming in, and they're going to be very, very disappointed because you're going forwards, okay? With somebody who wants to build with you. Now, you will have a choice. For this person from the past, can they change? Can they grow? Can they do this? The Lovers, Magician, 6 of Wands. Okay. The person from the past, you're sending them a direct message. Okay. You're going somewhere new here, okay? If you so choose. The Lovers with the Magician with the 6 of Wands, okay? There's an enormous breath of fresh air, you know, surrounding you. It's just beautiful. I see for some of you, like a small amount, that your person is just getting this amazing wake-up call. And that there's, a small amount of you, there's a possibility they can offer you what you deserve, okay? There's 2 distinct choices for you here over the next 3 months. I'm very drawn to this, though, that there's somebody new coming in and it's very unexpected and it could really develop. So I'll leave that there. If you found the reading helpful, I'd be so grateful for that thumbs up. If you subscribe, you'll catch my next reading. And if you'd like to tell me what reading you'd like me to do, leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure to take a look at all of your comments. So I'll leave the reading there, and I really hope that you found it helpful. Okay then, bye.